Why are citations so crucial in academic research? In a nutshell, citations are the backbone of academia. They provide a map tracing the development of ideas and theories and allow for the exchange of knowledge across generations of scholars. Citations serve as an acknowledgement of the work of others, the foundation upon which new research is built. They also provide a means of measuring the impact of a research paper or an academic's work. But tracking citations manually can be a tedious process. Thankfully, Google Scholar has made this task easier and more efficient. Imagine the world of academia as a bustling city. Each research paper is a building, some taller and more influential than others. The citations are the roads that connect these buildings, allowing ideas to travel and evolve. Google Scholar is like a satellite, providing an overview of this city and allowing researchers to navigate the intricate web of citations with ease. The first step to using Google Scholar for citation tracking is to go to the Google Scholar homepage. From there, one can simply enter the title of the research paper or the name of the author into the search bar. The search results will show a list of publications, each with a cited by number. This number indicates how many times the publication has been cited by other works, providing a measure of its influence and importance in the academic community. The cited by feature is particularly useful for tracking the impact of a paper over time. By clicking on the cited by link, one can see a list of all the works that have cited the paper. This list can be sorted by year, allowing researchers to see how the paper's influence has evolved. This feature can also be used to identify trends in research, showing how ideas have spread and developed over time. Another useful feature of Google Scholar is the ability to create a citation alert. This allows researchers to receive an email whenever a new citation of a specific work is added. This enables academics to stay up to date with the latest developments in their field and to see how their work is being used by others. Google Scholar also allows researchers to merge duplicate citations. This is useful for ensuring that the citation count for a paper is accurate and not inflated by multiple citations of the same work. In addition, researchers can add co-authors to their publications, acknowledging their contributions and expanding their collaborative network. In summary, Google Scholar provides a powerful tool for tracking citations. It offers a way to measure the impact of a research paper, to see how ideas have spread and evolved, and to stay up to date with the latest developments in a field. It allows for accurate citation counts and acknowledges the collaborative nature of academic research. So, the next time you find yourself lost in the bustling city of academia, remember that Google Scholar is there to help you navigate.